Hi, my name is Teija Ryhtä. I work in SETA, LGBTI rights in Finland, and my role is the youth work and participation expert. And mostly my tasks consist of training people who work with young LGBTIQ plus people. SETA is a national NGO working in Finland, and SETA was founded in 1974. Nowadays, SETA works for an equal society and tries to ensure the welfare of everyone, regardless of their sexual orientation, gender identity, and gender expression. We're trying to work to change attitudes, change the legislation. And when we work with attitudes, obviously we try to make strong, positive representation of the diversity of LGBTIQ plus people and who they are, how their lives look like, and how their rights are actual human rights and how they should be respected and recognized as part of our society. I believe a lot of youth workers actually already know how to do this, yet they maybe need the specific vocabulary or they need kind of the courage to actually approach these things more. But of course, we see that there are, for example, in the basic training of youth workers, as well as social workers, healthcare workers in Finland, the basic training actually lacks specific knowledge on LGBTIQ plus topics, and this is something that SETA tries to then provide through our trainings. I think it's important to sort of recognize the risks and challenges that LGBTIQ plus young people face. Obviously discrimination, harassment, violence, and sort of understand those also on the structural level. We do really value those kind of networks and those kind of opportunities to actually have European level collaboration and especially like exchanging good practices and so on. And I think it's really important both for us and for maybe our European partners to recognize the sort of shared challenges and risks, and then again recognize what are the differences, for example, on the national level when it comes to legislation, when it comes to access to medical care. Wow, that's a big question. I think maybe the first step would be to actually find the young people, like, connect with the young people and ask them what are their kind of biggest worries right now, what kind of change would they want to see, and then actually empower them to sort of do advocacy on the level that they're able to do, or at least to take the sort of message from them and do then advocacy on a professional level. The bigger network you can just build, then I think the better the outcome. So finding NGOs who maybe are not LGBTIQ plus related, but maybe mental health related or any kind of human rights related NGOs or other organizations, and sort of creating bigger and wider networks to get sort of more weight for your agenda.